Friendship. Friendships are important relationships throughout a person's lifespan. No matter what mistake you do, friends always stand by each other. Let's watch this video to see how the friendship among these characters is. Coming now!
Hi, Jane. How do you do?
Oh wow, you just changed the sofa. I remember it was gray last time. Yes, my mom just bought it for me. It's smaller a little bit, but it matches the color of the house.
I bought some apples and flowers, Jane.
Drop them in the kitchen.
Where? I dropped them next to the refrigerator. Is that okay?
Yes, anywhere you want. Come here, Alex. Look what Jane has here.
Cream tart?
Yes, I made it this morning. Try it.
Wow, perfect.
I asked Hazel to come with us, but she said she has a stomachache.
Did Hazel talk to you?
Nah, I don't know. That's weird. She always asks you when she doesn't feel good.
Hey, do you guys want to hang out this weekend?
Great idea. Where should we go? It shouldn't be far because I need to come back to work on Monday morning.
Everybody also needs to work, Jane. No worries at all.
Do you want to go to the beach? Beach?
Seriously?
Sure, we just need to take a taxi there, then chill. I just miss the smell of the beach. Do you think that it's possible?
Maybe.
Then we can bring some food, fruits, and beer, like going to a picnic on the beach.
The weather is quite suitable to have a trip to the beach.
Who will take responsibility to prepare food?
Normally it's Hazel.
I haven't told her about this weekend yet, but I'm sure she will join. She loves the beach more than anyone else. But
What's up, Jane?
I don't want to join Hazel. What?
Jane, what happened to the two of you?
Nothing.
Come on, Hazel and you always go together. What's the matter with you?
I just don't want to see her again. What? She broke our promise, but she didn't recognize her mistake.
Can you tell us more details? We didn't get your point clearly.
2 weeks ago. Should I buy popcorns at the moment? Where's Hazel? The movie isn't starting in 15 minutes.
Do you want to check in now?
Nah, thank you. I am waiting for my friend. Why doesn't she pick up the phone? Did something happen to her? Hello, Hazel. Where are you now? What happened to you? Do you know I called you many times? Hi, Jane. What's going on? My phone is in silent mode. I'm in a bar. My company has a party tonight. Do you think you forgot something? Forgot? No, Jane, come on. What happened? You should tell me directly. We're supposed to go to the cinema today. You forgot we bought tickets 1 week ago, huh? Oh my, I forgot. But why didn't you remind me? If you told me, I would let you know I'm busy today. This is the annual party of my company. I cannot be absent. Okay, so this is my fault that I didn't remind you? You don't get my point. I mean, you should remind me. I'm so busy in recent days, you know. So I'm a redundant person? Come on. Jane, listen. I didn't say that. Never. But you should remind me or at least send me a message. I just came here, then I can't leave. It's also too far, but I get your point. I think I wasted your time. You should enjoy yourself with your colleague. Jane, it's not a big problem. Next time. Never. Then I hung up my phone. I haven't talked with her since that day.
Oh, come on. You guys are so childish.
Alex, you also think it's my fault?
Not at all, but you should calm down to solve with each other.
I can't agree more with Alex. I know, but the movie was starting and I was still standing alone. She didn't even apologize to me. It's not my fault, is it? I don't want to talk about it anymore. Do you want to have some fruits? I'll bring you guys some apples. Alex, do you want to have some thoughts with me?
I think yes, Lily. I have never thought they will fight each other.
So do I. We should give them a chance to talk with each other. Everything will be solved.
Do you mean this weekend? But Jane is a hard ass.
We should talk with Hazel first. I think when we come to her house this evening. Jane is coming. Don't let her know. Jane, we've decided to go to the beach this weekend. Alex will prepare food. Really, Alex? You're a star. Beers? I'll bring them.
Okay, deal.
We'll meet at the bus station at 8, okay? Why don't we drive there? It's not far. I have a driving license. I'll drive.
Get in, Jane.
Don't forget beers. Never. Here.
Perfect.
Oh, it's not the way to Highway 1. Hazel will join us.
Yes, we're driving to pick her up.
Hey, what's wrong with the two of you? It's not fun. I told you. Don't be stubborn like this. You should talk with Hazel to handle your problem.
Hazel also has something to talk about with you.
I don't care. I never make up with her.
Park there. Hazel's coming. She just messaged me.
Get off, Jane.
Come on, Jane.
Hi. Do you guys want to talk privately?
Lily and I will wait in the car. You guys have 10 minutes.
Okay. Hi, Jane. About that day. Okay, what do you want? I have nothing to talk about with you. It's my fault, 'cause I forgot. Okay? I didn't try blaming you. I'm so sorry. Okay? I didn't know you were waiting at the cinema. I thought you were still waiting at home. Don't tell me like that. I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, as you want. It's my fault, but you were getting mad. So it hurt me so bad. I couldn't calm down as well. So sorry. We have been together for 5 years. You know me, don't you? So you also know that I don't like being stood up. Yes, sorry. All is my bad. But don't shout at my face like that anymore. I don't want to lose you. Okay, did you bring anything for us? Sure, I prepared food as usual. Oh, Alex told me he would do that. Alex can cook? I'll never trust him again. So, be friends again? Okay, I forgive you this time. Let's go, we'll be late.
Bear, bear. Oh, Lana, your skin looks tan. This is amazing. Did you sunbathe? I did. I had a 3-day trip to California last week. Everything was wonderful. For real? Gosh, I was thinking about going there with my family. I gotta tell you this, Ivy. The beach in California is awesome. Really? I'll go there this summer. I'm so excited. Did you swim there? Of course. The water is clear with golden sand, just like paradise. Oh my God, fantastic. And also, I walked barefoot on the beach. It just felt so good. Barefoot? Is this a kind of costume? How can I find it? What do you mean by costume? Barefoot is super comfy. Some say it's good for your feet. This is the first time I've heard about this. So, where can you get that special bear thing? From the store? Store? I'm confused. You don't have to buy anything. You said barefoot, the animal? Oh, no. I mean walking on your feet, not wearing any shoes. Chilli-Chilly. Where's Mom, Dad?
She went to the grandparents' house tonight. She'll be there to help them with something.
So when's she home? What are we going to have for dinner?
She'll be back home tomorrow morning. So we're going to cook by ourselves.
Do you know how to cook?
That's a very good question. Well, I think I'm good with cooking eggs.
Jesus. Well, I'm going to cook tonight. What do you want to eat then?
Oh, great. I think we can make roast beef with peppers. What do you think?
Sounds nice, Dad. Let me check if we have enough ingredients.
I just stopped by the supermarket. I got some groceries.
What did you buy?
Some pork, lettuce, carrots, and eggs. Oh, some beef too.
Okay, but we need bell peppers also.
Is there anything left in the fridge?
Let me take a look. There's chili, tomatoes, eggplant. Oh, these tomatoes look weird. I think they have already gone bad.
I think we should throw them away.
Okay. Oh, here they are.
You see them? Bell peppers?
Yeah. Oh, why are these chilies so cold?
Well, because they're chilly. Duh.
Pause and pause.
Welcome. I'm Dan. I'm your guide today.
Good morning, Dan. Nice to meet you.
Me too. Well, with some, this is their first time going by a cable car. So, it's important for you to know what to do in a cable car, especially with young kids. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how we use the cable car here. Are you ready?
Yes, please, go ahead. I'm all ears.
First, let's begin with the buttons. You can see there's a row of buttons next to your seats.
We see it. What is this red button for?
Oh, in case of emergency, you press the red button. It is next to the pause button.
Excuse me, I can't see any pause button here. Maybe you should check again.
Really? It's supposed to be on your right side.
Where is it? I mean, a button with a paw image is kinda cute. But it should be more visible, right?
I think it's quite visible, ma'am. It's the yellow one with 2 vertical lines. Do you see it?
Oh, pause. Jesus, silly me. I thought you were talking about animal paws. Break, break. I guess we're very lucky today. Look, the weather is so nice. Everything is amazing so far. Thank you. After the trip, you will have a break. A break is, I think, necessary when you're tired. Oh, there's a small shop over there. Take your time for your break. I don't think I need a break, though. We're gonna buy it from the shop? It's a coffee shop, isn't it? What would we do with a break? Well, you can take a rest, eat or drink something, I guess. We'll keep going after 15 or 20 minutes. What do you think? What do you mean? Like, eating a break? That's kind of weird, isn't it? Eating? Oh, no, you got me wrong. I mean, you will have time to rest. Break time, not the brake of a vehicle. Leek and Leek. Oh, hello, Jake. You've just come back from your holiday, right? How was your trip to Indonesia? Oh, it was awesome. The rivers, the beach, and the food were wonderful. I love it there. There's a lot of rivers there, right? Is traveling by boat fun? It is. Something happened, but it was fine after all. What happened? Well, when traveling by a boat on the river, we found a leak on the bottom. We freaked out and didn't know what to do. A leak? You got scared because of a leak? Gosh, who wouldn't? There were 3 people on the boat. I didn't want the boat to sink. Who wants to drown? No, I mean, how can a leak make the boat sink? This doesn't make any sense. The boat can be sunk by a kind of vegetable. A kind of vegetable? You're talking about leeks. Gosh, I mean the leak, which can let water come in. A small crack caused a hole in the boat. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.